86 Cowles walkthrough video. As you can see, this particular property is in Bedford, Ohio. Has a large backyard, 1-car garage. It's all fenced in back here. It's got central air. It's a nice place. Let's go inside. Let's go downstairs first. So downstairs, you have a finished area. There's carpet in it. We put it in brand new. It's never been walked on hardly. So nice big area. You've got glass block windows. All your utilities and stuff are down here. So you have that. So all that's down here is utility room, gas. Nice water heater. Everything works. Nice kitchen, lots of storage here. It does come with a stove and refrigerator, so that's all included in the rent. Has a nice big living room, 2 bedrooms and a bath on the first floor. So you can see this is a nice big area, all been rehabbed, nice. And then you can look at the bathroom here, nice. And we have 2 bedrooms down here. So you can look at those also. Good sized bedrooms too. I mean, they're nice. Very quiet street. This is a really nice property. And then of course you have your big bedroom upstairs. It is carpeted. Here's a closet, and you can see there's a lot. You can do like a sitting room here if you want, and then here's the bedroom. Big area. Oh, all this is here. So if you're looking for a place in Bedford, this is it. Great investors, great people, and this is one that won't last very long, so get your clients out. Thanks. Have a great day.